When working between model space and paper space, it may be necessary for line work to appear different in a viewport than it does in model space, or even different from one viewport to another. After completing this video, you'll be able to apply layer properties to control how geometry can appear differently, whether in model space or in a viewport. Open the bakery plan drawing provided in the data set. For this exercise, we will use viewport layer overrides to create layouts showing a floor plan and a reflected ceiling plan of this bakery. Click the floor plan layout and double-click inside the viewport to open model space. On the Ribbons Home tab, click the Layer Properties tool on the Layers panel. In addition to the standard layer property columns, there are also columns that have a VP prefix. These columns represent viewport-specific properties. In other words, the properties assigned in these columns will only apply to the viewport you are currently in. These properties are reflected as overrides to the properties assigned to those layers in model space. For the floor plan, we want to freeze the light fixture in this viewport. Click the Lights layer in the Layer Properties Manager, and in the VP Freeze column, click the icon associated with that layer. This layer is now frozen in this viewport only. Click on the Model tab to see that the lights are still visible in model space. Click back on the Floor Plan tab. Layers can also be frozen within a viewport by using the Freeze tool on the Layers panel on the ribbon. On the Ribbons Home tab, click the Freeze tool on the Layers panel. Now select one of the light gray lines representing tables on the floor plan. The command line reports Layer Equipment has been frozen in this viewport. Note that the icon in the VP Freeze column has also updated accordingly. Press Enter to finish the command. Click on the Ceiling Plan tab. Double-click inside the viewport to open model space. For this plan, we want the thresholds of each doorway to be shown with a solid continuous line. In model space, the thresholds layer has been assigned a hidden line type. In the Layer Properties Manager, select the door thresholds layer and click the hidden line type in the VP line type column. Select Continuous, click OK, and the door thresholds now show as desired. Let's also freeze the doors on the ceiling plan as well. Note how the layer status icon changes to indicate which layers have viewport property overrides. The layer name and overridden properties are also highlighted to help you know which properties have been changed. In the Layer Properties Manager, there are a number of tools available on the right-click menu for managing viewport overrides. Right-click on any layer in the layer list. The first tool on the menu is the Remove Viewport Overrides For tool. This lets you remove the overrides for the selected layers or all layers, and either in the current viewport or all viewports. This basically returns the layers back to the properties as they were assigned in model space. Next on the right-click menu is the New Layer VP Frozen in All Viewports tool. This allows you to create a new layer that will be frozen by default in all viewports, as well as any new viewports that are created in the future. This is especially useful when you need to create a layer that applies to one viewport but doesn't apply to any others. After creating a layer with this tool, it can then be thawed in the viewport that it pertains to. Click this tool to create a new layer. Type in the name of the layer and hit Enter. Note that the layer is automatically frozen in this viewport and will also be frozen in all other viewports as well. Next on the right-click menu is the VP Freeze Layer tool. This tool lets you freeze the selected layers in all other viewports, keeping it visible in the current viewport only, or lets you freeze the layer in all viewports. Similarly, VP Thaw Layer in All Viewports thaws the selected layers in all viewports in the current drawing. The ability to apply viewport overrides for layers provides great flexibility and control when working with those layers between model space and between paper space viewports.